What are the options that we have? If target is less than array of mid, wait and think. Let's say for as of now, for I, for integer I is equals to 0, I is less than array of mid. What we do? For I is equals to 0, if array of I is while, we will not say if, while array of I is less than array of mid, we will have to give in mid as input. Where is it? This is mid, we have to give it to that part as well. We are just finding out things, okay? We don't know what it is. Okay, start and end as well you have to give. Copy, paste. Okay, so we have start, end and mid. While target, if while array of I is less than array of mid, we will skip I plus 1, I plus plus karisu. What we will do? We will do array of I is less than array of mid, array of target. Okay, array of target. We are not dealing with mid anymore, we are dealing with target. If array of I is less than array of target, કશું નહીં કરવાનું, we will not do anything. Return array of I when the array of I gets bigger than array of target. Okay, we will find an if loop. If array of I gets bigger than equal to array of target, what we'll do? If it gets bigger than return array of I, return array of I. Fine, we will return array of I. For integer, if target is less than mid, else, what else do we do? What do we do when it's else? If target is less than array of mid, fine, it is less than array of mid. For integer I is equals to 0, we will iterate the array while target is less than array, so we will not go beyond mid. Why should we go beyond mid? Because we know, if we know it that target is less than array of mid, why should we go beyond mid? We'll just take, if it is mid, then we would have found that very well in the first loop as well. So we will not check the condition of if it is mid or not, because if it is, then there would be any hustle at all. So if array of I gets bigger than equal to array of target, if we will not even find equal, if array of I gets bigger than array of target, return array of I. Else, what happens else? When target is greater than mid, what happens here is, let's see what happened here. Over here is what happens over here. What happens is that if target is greater than array of mid, what do we do? If target is greater than array of mid, we will again make a for loop. We will again do it. Copy, paste. Okay, for integer I is equals to mid. For integer I is equals to mid, where I is less than array of length minus 1. Array of length, array dot length, array dot length minus 1. because we are doing this because we don't want out of bound exception. Okay, so if for integer I is equal else when target is greater than mid, from integer I is equals to mid to I is less than, if array of I is greater than array of target, return array of I. If none of this occurs, if the target, if when we will not, okay, so we will return what? We will return target t found integer t found. We will get an integer t found. Return t found is equals to mid. If none of this return t found is equals to mid, integer t found, and if none of this occurs, then we will found return t found. We will return with t found. Let's run this array of 55. We should get 56 as answer. I know this is not complete binary search, but let's see why I am not getting any answer. Now let's see that this is how much we can think. Now let's see let's see the solution.
Let's say the target is equal to 4. First thing you need to notice is, okay, is there 4 equal? What are all the numbers in simple terms? If I want to say it in simple terms, then target is equal to 4. Okay. To pause this to this 2, 3, 5, 9, 14, 16, 18, and the target is given to you something. Okay. So now let's imagine the question was, let's say if it's saying that you have to find a number. The ceiling is basically equal to, it says over here, greater than or equal to target. If it was only equal to target, and you know this is a sorted array, is this question really different than a binary search? No. So it's exactly a binary search question. It's just saying find the target element in the sorted array. That's it. But now it's saying that, hey, the only change from binary search that you will be making is what? You will not return -1 in this case.
See, this is what I have already told. I have previously told you. I told you. You know it. I have recording. I have proof. That we have made a new return type. We have made a new return type method for this. This is only the new part. We just have to program new return type, and we can do that. How can we do that? We will get an approach towards it. We will not completely look at it. Okay, we will use our brain. Don't worry.
Not finding the element. You will just return the next greater element. That's it. So if you're searching for 15, you will return the next greater element 16. That's it. This is really because the approach. You should not be having this doubt. Kunal, why are you applying binary search? I will feel very bad. I have told you multiple times. I want to find a number that, okay, this might be a possible answer. But let's say we're trying to search for 15. Okay, so we'll be like, hey, is the middle element, this is my start, this is my end. So I'm saying, hey, is the middle element, is the target element basically greater than, smaller than or equal to middle? If it's equal to middle, you have found your answer. But now you know it's greater than middle. So if you want to find the number that is greater than equal to 15, is it going to lie over here or is it going to lie over here? Obviously, binary search, you have to find number greater than equal to 15, hence it will lie over here. Hence, start will be equal to mid plus 1, nothing new. Same thing that we did in binary search. Okay, so now what will happen is, we will search in this array. So now this will be my start, which is 4, 5, 6. This will be my end, 14, 16, 18. This will be my middle. This is my middle now. Now it's going to check, hey, is 15 less than middle, smaller than middle, or equal to middle? Sorry, less than middle, greater than middle, or equal to middle. It's saying, hey, it's less than middle. Okay, so if it's less than middle, and if you want to find a number that, okay, this might be a possible answer.
Okay. I've got some clue. What are we given? Start is equals to array.length. Which array we are given? We should not be given the array, whole array. Why should we be given whole array? We should be given the array, and we will find the mid. Start is equals to and minus 2. If target is less than array of mid, what should we do? If target, this is all stupidity. Forget it. Forget all of it. None of it is right. If target is less than array of mid, then we will again do binary search. Why should we do linear search over here? No, we don't. We will do binary search. What do? We will increase the mid. We will increase the target is less than, so end will be mid minus 1. Fine. And return, and we will again do it. For how long we will do it? For how long will we do it? WHILE, while. mid, array of mid is less than or equal to target. For that long we will do it. For how long? For that long. Cut, control V. Let us fucking erase it. This is not necessary. Done. Backspace and found return. This is also not necessary. If target end is equals to mid minus 1, and here else if target is greater than array of mid, so start is equals to mid plus 1, correct? While array of miss is all useless, all we have to return is start. This is all what we have to do. Now we have the answer. We will get answer 56. I think that we have made a mistake. Return start. This is our correct loop. This should return 3, array of start. What is the target? 2.
Is violated actually says find the number greater than or equal to, just to sum up, so we are like to be equal to that basically.
Okay, we will search for the solution. Ceiling of a number, binary search. Static int ceiling search. Static int ceiling search integer I. For if x is less than equal to array of low, return low. Okay, so we have made a logic, intelligent idea. What we are supposed to return? We are see, this is wrong. Okay. So we have just made one mistake. We will return 2 1 2. We will give the target 2 1 2. It should return 2 1 3.